Welcome Dream Chasers family. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ancient wisdom and modern wellness. Imagine starting your day with a cup of tea or coffee that not only awakens your senses but also nurtures your body and soul. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream could become your reality with just a few simple ingredients? According to Buddhist philosophy, there are 5 magical ingredients that, when added to your daily brew, can transform it into a healing elixir. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the secrets to a healthier, happier life. Let's start with our first ingredient, something many of us are already familiar with: ginger. This humble root is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe an upset stomach and boost our immune system. But did you know that ginger also has a rich spiritual significance in Buddhist teachings? It's believed to help clear the mind and promote clarity, making it a perfect companion for meditation and mindfulness practices. As you slice the ginger, imagine each piece releasing warmth and healing into your tea or coffee. Feel the soothing aroma filling your kitchen, bringing a sense of calm and peace. It's like a gentle reminder to slow down and savor the simple pleasures in life. Next up, we have the golden treasure of spices, turmeric. This vibrant spice is not only a staple in many kitchens but also a revered component in traditional medicine. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, a compound known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. In Buddhist philosophy, turmeric symbolizes purity and purification. Just a pinch of this golden powder can purify our bodies and minds, helping us to release negative energy and embrace positivity. As the turmeric dissolves into the water, imagine it infusing your drink with a golden glow of health and vitality. It's like sipping sunshine, bringing warmth and joy to your day. And the best part? This little addition can help cleanse your body, support your liver, and even improve your mood. Now, let's talk about the sweet magic, honey. This natural sweetener is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. It's known for its antibacterial and antioxidant properties, making it a natural healer for colds, sore throats, and more. In Buddhism, honey represents the sweetness of enlightenment, a metaphor for the joy and satisfaction that comes from spiritual growth. Imagine the golden honey swirling into your drink, adding a touch of sweetness that not only pleases your taste buds but also soothes your soul. Each drop is like a reminder of the sweetness of life, encouraging us to find joy in every moment, no matter how small. Here comes a little surprise: black pepper. You might be wondering why we're adding this spice to our drink. Well, black pepper is a bit of a superstar when it comes to enhancing the absorption of nutrients. It helps our bodies absorb the curcumin in turmeric, maximizing its benefits. In Buddhist teachings, black pepper symbolizes the idea of unlocking hidden potential, much like how it unlocks the full benefits of turmeric. Think of black pepper as a catalyst for transformation. Just a tiny pinch can make a big difference, reminding us that sometimes, the smallest changes can have the most profound effects. It's a lesson in mindfulness, teaching us to pay attention to the details and appreciate the subtle flavors of life. And finally, we have the comforting aroma of cinnamon. This spice is not only delicious but also incredibly good for you. It's known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels and support heart health. In Buddhist philosophy, cinnamon is seen as a protective spice, providing warmth and security. Imagine the cinnamon infusing your drink with its warm, comforting flavor. It's like a hug in a cup, providing comfort and protection. Each sip feels like a warm embrace, reminding us of the importance of nurturing our bodies and souls. As we bring all these ingredients together, we're not just making a drink. We're creating a ritual of self-care, a moment of mindfulness that sets the tone for the day. In Buddhist philosophy, it's believed that the way we start our day can influence our entire day. By beginning with intention and mindfulness, we can cultivate a sense of peace and well-being that carries us through the challenges and joys of life. Look at this beautiful, golden drink. It's more than just a beverage, it's a symbol of ancient wisdom and modern wellness coming together. Each ingredient carries a piece of history, a story of healing and transformation. And as you take your first sip, imagine all the goodness flowing into your body, nourishing you from the inside out. It's like a warm embrace from within. The ginger adds a gentle kick, the turmeric brings a golden warmth, the honey sweetens the experience, the black pepper adds a subtle heat, and the cinnamon wraps it all in a comforting hug. It's a harmonious blend that not only tastes amazing but also supports your health in so many ways. Remember, the key to this drink's magic is not just the ingredients but also the intention behind it. When we prepare our food and drinks with love and mindfulness, we infuse them with positive energy that can uplift our spirits and nourish our bodies. So, the next time you make your morning tea or coffee, take a moment to appreciate the simple act of preparing it. Let it be a moment of meditation, a practice of mindfulness that sets a positive tone for your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery and wellness, Dream Chasers family. I hope this recipe brings a little extra joy and health into your mornings. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue to explore the wonders of ancient wisdom and modern living together. Until next time, stay mindful, stay healthy, and remember to find joy in every sip of life.